Will the dollar fall more? Pound dollar to 1.25? Gold in a strong uptrend? And Bitcoin is moving up. Let's analyze some charts and look for trading opportunities.
We trade waves.
DXY, most of you know this structure. We covered this in detail last week. The bigger picture, why we are expecting this downtrend to correct, even the weekly and daily time frame. So all of you who are new to We Trade Waves channel, subscribe to not miss guys any update and make sure to keep watching till the end. For this one, all of you know that this was a top. We've got a drop, corrective structure as a running flat, another drop. Correction drop here, correction drop, and market gave us an expanding flat as a corrective structure in this one. After this expanding flat, we've got another drop. Small correction, fall, small correction, one more drop, and then market started to push up. Last week, we were expecting market to correct for one more drop and then another upwave to come. This upwave, it was just a small corrective structure before this fall. So scalpers and swing traders must have made money with this upwave, or the worst case scenario must have been break even. And those who are biased to the downside, the sell setups were from here. If you are still holding the sells, you just have to manage your trades. This downtrend, guys, is about to end. As most of you can see, every time market will print a new low, we are getting some sort of reaction, which means every new low in this structure, it will be the potential last low before we start to correct upwards. And this big corrective structure, guys, we are expecting it to be big. What I mean by that, the first wave, it will be 400 to 500 pips move. So, what's next for the XY? I'm still biased to the downside. Based on the current structure, looks like market will fall more. To which level? Every new low, it will be the potential last low before the next up move. If this upwave will be a corrective structure, one more fall will be coming. What is this zone here? This is the reaction zone. My bias is toward the downside. Anytime, market can start a bigger corrective structure. So those who are biased to the downside and are in the sell, you move your stops and let the market unfold. Those of you who are biased to the upside, wait for market to print a new low before you look for your buy setups. Alright guys, if market will fall to touch this zone, an up move is expected. So swing traders, the sell setups from here are not ideal. You have to wait for your buy setups. Anytime, market can start a big corrective structure, even without breaking this low. Make sense, guys? Now, a golden advice for breakout traders. Never ever go for a breakout trade at the end of the trend, because here, it might be just a liquidity grab before we start to move in the other direction. Well, Alan, how did you know that this is the end of the trend? Only wave analysis, guys, will give you this edge. If you learn wave analysis correctly, you will know when the trend is about to end, when to go with the trend, and when to start to look for reversals. And guys, once you have an edge in the market, execution is not a big deal. The big part after execution is psychology. And that's why in WTW membership, we focus a lot on psychology and helping you building a strong trading mindset. Euro dollar, market went up here, gave us a corrective structure as a running flat, we've got this up wave. Correction up, and market gave us another corrective structure. This is a regular flat, and after this correction, we've got this up move. By the way, this analysis, guys, was posted on our social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. And we have said from here, we're expecting market to push up. This was the full analysis. So all of you, make sure to follow us on TikTok, TradingView, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All the official links for our social media platforms are in the description under this video. So, what's happening here? Let me zoom in. After this up wave, market gave us a small correction, one more push up. Correction, one more push up. We broke this top and we started to fall. This was a great trade to the downside. We've made money trading this down wave, and from here, we've got a reaction. Why from here? This is based on liquidity, structures, and smart money concept. And by the way, we teach you guys our unique wave analysis concept inside WTW membership. And it's the only masterclass course you need to master wave analysis. So, what was this down move? It was just a corrective structure for one more push up. After that, we've got a drop. What's next? If this will turns out to be a corrective structure, one more fall before the next up wave. Correction, one more push up, and then we'll update you. At the moment, based on the current structure, we are biased to the upside. Short-term traders and scalpers, if you get a sell setup, you can go for it. Nothing wrong with that. All you have to do is to risk small and make sure to use stop loss. And by the way, do not think that corrective structures, they do not break tops. If that happens, another down wave will be coming anyway. So those of you who are biased to the upside, you can look for buy setups, you get in, you manage your trades. Those of you who are looking for sell setups, you can start to look for your sells above this top or above this top. It's up to you. All what I can see at the moment is this as a corrective structure. This as a corrective structure means more up. Even we are on the last wave of this uptrend, but looks like this last wave will extend. Again, this is based on the current structure. More details about this one, the levels. If euro-dollar will be one of our trades of the week, with the targets and reaction zones, all of this guys will be covered in details this Sunday. To get access to our Sunday and Wednesday live sessions, you have to subscribe to WTW membership. All the details about WTW membership is in the description under this video. Pound dollar. Also, we posted guys full analysis for this one in our social media platforms. And from here we said market will push up. If you remember guys this forecast, and you think that our weekly and daily videos are helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Your supportive comments and likes will push us to be here every single week to provide you with our analysis. It takes less than 1 minute. Also, if you have any question for me, put it in the comment section. I'm personally reading every single comment and I will reply to your questions. So, for pound dollar, this was a running flat. Inside this running flat, we have a regular flat here. This is a correction inside a correction. And this is guys, the fractal nature of the market. I will explain about this one in detail during one of our next forecasts. So those of you who are new to WeTradeWave channel, subscribe guys to not miss any of our next videos. After this corrective structure, we've got this up wave. This was a curving structure here, a curving pattern, and then market started to push up. The exact same structure guys, we have it on the XY, but looks like the last wave is about to extend for the XY. Regardless, any new low will be the potential last low in the downtrend. But that doesn't mean you jump in. Always wait for your sell setups before you get in the trade. Now, what after this up wave? In the middle, we have a running flat here. It's a corrective structure, market went up, we've got a pullback, another up wave. The current structure guys of pound dollar is a bit critical. Above these two highs, we have liquidity. Remember, these are equal highs. And as a note, above every equal highs, we have liquidity. And also liquidity is a big and very important topic. I have it in my notes to cover it during one of our next forecasts. What is important here is the next structure. More than one possibility for pound dollar. From current levels, we might get a drop before the push up, and this will be the correction here. It will be very good if we get this drop. 1.22 will be the reaction, and the next up wave, if we get this up move, it will touch 1.25, which means guys, 300 pips move for this up wave. So, those of you are biased to the downside, you can look for sell setups. Those of you are biased to the upside, the buys were from here, and if you get this drop, you go for buy setups. If not, let the market go without you. Even for us, if we get a change of structure here or a buy setup, we might go for the buy setup from current levels. How is that? More details about this setup will be covered during this Sunday session. So guys, our live sessions are very important. On every Sunday, we start with fundamentals, we cover all these pairs in details, along with the indices, cryptos, we take your questions live, if you have any requests, and we give you trades of the week. And I think this is all you need before you start your trading week. And the live session is recorded anyway. So those of you who cannot attend it live, you can watch the recording after the session. Anyway, for pound dollar, I think the structure is clear. If we get any change of structure, we will try to update you. Top-down analysis even to the 1 hour chart for US oil and gold will be covered during this Sunday session. From monthly all the way down to the 1 hour, along with the patterns, structures, and potential next trades. Aussie dollar market is moving up and up. After this corrective structure, when we push up, we've got a drop. If you are a scalper or short-term trader, you must have made money trading this down wave. What's next? Looks like market will correct when we push up. And after this up move, we will update you. For now, this is what we can see for Aussie dollar. By the way, last week, we gave 3 trades of the week during our Sunday live session. We gave EURCAD up, New Zealand CAD up, and pound dollar to the downside. 2 trades have hit the target, and 1 was break even. An example for that? Let me show you EURCAD trade.
Let me just summarize the trades of the week for you. This week, again, if any of you have been in the buys, keep on moving your stops. I can see this one correcting in the first half of the week or first few days of the week. Push up once more, breaking the top. That's when you should start to take some partial profits. Okay.
As a trader, WTW membership is all you need to become successful. Give it a try, you won't regret it. First thing first, as soon as you sign up, you will get access to WTW Masterclass. It will be the latest Masterclass course. 8 videos with summarized lesson notes in 5 languages: English, French, Spanish, Mandarin, Chinese, and Arabic. You will get access to the 2 weekly live sessions that will be conducted by T every Sunday and Wednesday. You will get access to the section of trades of the week, month, and year. And this time, guys, we are posting these trades as pictures. So you click the pictures and you will see the explanation or the direction. For the first time, we are including monthly live Q&A session with me, where we'll discuss structures in details, new patterns, because remember, market is always changing. Also, we'll discuss a lot of charts, trade setups, and any question you might have. This Q&A session, guys, will be live and it will be recorded. So if you cannot attend live, you can access the recording and we'll have recording archive as well. Remember, all of this is inside one single membership, WTW membership. On top of that, we're including useful links such as calculators, Forex hours, the news, the calendar, risk calculators, comparison about funded trader challenges companies, and a lot more. We have a tab for psychology tips. These guys are very important to strengthen your psychology, because remember, psychology is a big part in trading. So we are making sure that you have a strong psychology and correct mindset. After 3 months of your subscription, you will get access to more strategies. We'll give you the plan on how to double your account in only 3 trades using minimal risk. Also, after 3 months, you will be automatically added to our private global trading Slack community. This, guys, is where all our traders are meeting on a daily basis. Our seniors and moderators will be giving daily live sessions. And once you go through the website pages, you will know the benefits of joining the private Slack community. So after 3 months, you will get access to all of this at no additional cost. Which means If you are paying 115 per month, you will keep paying 115 per month, but you will get access to all of this automatically. Dorian, we said last week, corrective structure, one more drop. We've got a corrective structure here, and this drop, another up move. What's happening here? Looks like, guys, this structure will be complex. What I mean by that? Correction here, one more push up, one more drop, another up wave. Those of you who don't know what I'm drawing here, this, guys, is a structure we follow and we know. And if the market behaves how we are expecting it to behave, we will trade this up wave, we will trade this down wave, and we will go for this buy as well. And we have done that more than once. You can make a lot of money trading in a range. And never ever, guys, forget we trade waves 4 golden rules. Do not jump in, do not over risk and overtrade, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. If you just follow these 4 golden rules, you will never ever break your trading account. If you break one of these rules, one single bad trade is more than enough to break your account. One single bad trade. New Zealand dollar, based on what I see at the moment, one more push up is very possible. And this up wave can go all the way up to break this top, correction, up again. Because here, looks like this is a running flat for one more push up. And if that happens, you wait for a correction to go for your buy setup. And we have also more than one possibility for this structure. But the high probability chance one is this. This was a corrective structure here in the bigger picture, and then after that, market started to push up. And this was, guys, a textbook pattern for we trade waivers. Up, correction up, and I'm repeating this again. If you know how to trade correctly, you can make a lot of money trading the next wave. Our private trading community is on fire, and our members are meeting on a daily basis. Pound yen, also I have posted the analysis for this one. This is a corrective structure, it's a regular flat here, and this was a crazy sell. After that, market gave us a corrective structure, another big fall. Correction here, drop. Another correction or part of the correction. This is very important because the way, guys, we look at corrections is different. Elliott waves, with full respect to Elliott waivers, is outdated. We trade waves is different story. So, what's happening here? It's same as dollar yen. Looks like market will correct, one more push up, one more fall, another up wave before we go for the next structure. This, guys, will be also in a range before the next move. What to do? Wait for market to correct before you go for the next buy setup. And above this top, you look for your sell setups. So this is a tradable wave and this is a tradable wave. This one, leave it for now. And that's why, guys, it's very important to know when to trade and what to trade. USOIL, I said to you last week, wait for market to correct, for one push up. You look for your buy setups. And I really hope all of you trade USOIL get in this buy. Now, after this up wave and during our Wednesday live session, we said to WTW members, guys, a drop will be coming. And if they took this sell, they must have made good profits trading this fall. Now, what's next? Looks like market will correct for one more push up. Correction here, one more push up, and then we'll update you. For now, focus on this up wave if you get a corrective structure. More details about the fundamentals, oil news, what might affect the next wave, the bigger picture, the pattern, along with the levels will be covered during this Sunday session. Gold, this was also amazing. I said to you last week, after this up wave, you look for sell setups if you are biased to the downside, and if you took a sell from here, you must have made decent profits trading gold from 1928 to 1900. At the same time, I said those of you are biased to the upside, wait for market to correct before you go for the next buy setup. We've got a great corrective structure here, market touched 1900, and we've got this up wave. A lot of our traders, guys, who trade gold get in the buy. Not only that, during Wednesday live session, we said to our members, guys, we will get a pullback, a corrective structure, and from these levels, you look for your buy setups. We are expecting gold to push up, and we've got this up wave. So no matter what type of trader you are, if you are following us correctly, you must have made money trading gold. Top-down analysis for gold, monthly, all the way down to the 1 hour chart, with the patterns, levels, targets, what is affecting gold move, and we'll talk about every single factor this Sunday. Now, what's next for gold? If market corrects here, one push up is very possible. So the next wave for now is toward the upside. Gold is in a strong uptrend. You have to be very strict about your stop loss levels and risk management, because anytime gold can start a big corrective structure. EURCAD, this was great. Also, we covered this one for CAD news, and we've got this up wave. After that, market started to fall. What's next? Correction, one more drop. This is how we can see dollar CAD will behave next. So those of you who took this sell from here, if you remember this sell setup, you move your stops, one more fall is coming. Is it a tradable move? We do not think so. This is just to manage your trades and keep moving your stops in the direction of your trade. Silver, for me, this is a corrective structure, which means any correction here is a buy opportunity. If you get a correction, one more push up is coming here. Also for this one, we'll give you entry and target as well, because the risk to reward for this trade is amazing. In regards to bias, we are biased to the upside. In regards to the trades, we'll give it to you during Sunday session. Bitcoin, great. We've got an expanding flat, one will push up. If you remember, this is scenario 2, and we said if market will break this one, market will correct for another push up. This is exactly what market gave us here. So, for this one, now we are moving up. Any corrective structure is a buy opportunity. Will this fall again to break these lows? I don't think so, unless something big happened. For now, this one is to the upside. UKX, after this up wave, market started to correct. If you remember last week, we said we are expecting market to give us a corrective structure similar to this one, minimum. So if you took a sell setup, move your stops and let the market unfold. One more fall is very possible. If we get a corrective structure similar to this one, another up wave will be coming. Next level, 8K. With that note, guys, I wish you a successful trading week, and for WTW members, we see you on Sunday session.